So today we're going to talk about grams to moles one step. It's very similar to what we just did, moles to grams one step, only this time it's switched. We're starting off with grams and then we're moving to moles. So your topic for this is gram to mole one step, and your goal is I can go from grams to moles of one substance using stoichiometry. And again, this will be on your grams to moles one step page. So grams to moles one step. Here are the steps you need to write down in your notes section. So first, you write down what they give you. You put your units. The same unit goes in diagonal boxes. The molar mass goes with grams, and a 1 goes with a mole. So you notice these steps are almost identical with the steps earlier, but there is going to be a little difference when we start working through this problem, which is why I'm having you write all this down again. So once you have this example written down, go ahead and you'll notice in your note section, like it is for every single note section in this unit, that I have the railroad tracks and text boxes there already for you. You will need to work this example problem out with me. That way you have an example in your notes. So our question is, if we have 20 grams of H2, how many moles do we have? Well, this first box, we write down what they give us. Well, in this case, that's 20 grams of H2. Now remember, whatever unit, not number, but whatever unit's right here is the same unit in your diagonal. So since that's grams of H2, this will be grams of H2. And this is the last box on the top. So it's always going to be what we're looking for. Well, in this case, we are looking for moles of H2. Or you could just do moles of H2. So to figure out what number goes where, the molar mass goes with grams and the 1 goes with the mole. So you figure out which one's the mole, so it's the one on top. The 1 goes with it. And now we need to find the molar mass to figure out what needs to go with grams. So we are finding the molar mass of H2. So just to remind you all how we do that is we have H. There's 2 of them because it has a subscript of 2 times the mass. So we'll go to our periodic table. Hydrogen has a mass of 1.008. So 2 times 1.008 will be 2.016. 2.016. That number is what goes with the grams. So 2.016. All right, so now that we have that, we can figure out what our answer is. So you'll multiply the top. So 20 times 1 is 20. And then you divide whatever's at the bottom, which in this case is 2.016. So in our calculator, we'll have to do 20 divided by 2.016. 20 divided by 2.016. 9.92. So 9.92 is your answer, and your unit's going to be mole of H2 because that's what's in this last upper box up here. And that's what you're looking for. So again, for this, in your digital notebook on your next slide, you have 3 practice problems. If you get stuck and you're not sure how to put what in what box, you're always welcome to watch through this example again, see if that helps spark your memory. If not, message me or email me and I'll be happy to help you.